Good morning.
Good morning.
Day 2.
Second day. Day 2.
Kaya. Lalaport, Yokohama is one of the largest commercial facilities in Kanagawa Prefecture. Great place if you want to go shopping with family. Easy access and great movie theaters and variety of restaurants and delicious food. Sarap po. Kakain na ako. Oh, hindi ka na ba? Ano ba ginagawa mo? Bakit naglakad na tayo? Bakit? Ano? Ha? Ano?
Tumuds na ako.
Kaya, kung gusto ka lang. Pinuntahan din namin itong hard-up shop, mga second-hand items ang makikita mo rito. Tara, pasok, baka may magustuhan. Naku, may nakita na nga. Next up, the outlet store. It's a newly opened outlet mall in Shonan, Hiratsuka, Kanagawa Prefecture. On a good day, Mount Fuji is visible from their viewpoint. Cute naman ito mga aso to. Gusto pumasok?
Okay.
Naksmitono pa. Oh, one love. This is my one true love. Ate! Napakalaki at napakaganda rin ng kanilang food court. Super dami ng food choices. Baskin Robbins. Wow. Is this your favorite, Papa? Madam? More Baskin? Ay sus, eto palang gusto.